Hello students and my dear friends. Today we are discussing for business mathematics subject which is studied in BBA first semester and its code is BBA N102. So today we are discussing on the syllabus of business mathematics. So let's continue for next slide. In first unit we have to study the introduction of mathematics, matrix. What is a matrix? You all know that the square type rows and columns, in which rows and columns are there. ठीक है, we can say an arrangement of rows and column which is known as a matrix. Okay, and the types of matrix are also there. First one is a square matrix. When the number of rows and number of columns are equal, then we told it that the matrix is a square matrix. Now the next topic is the row matrix. In row matrix we all know that only one row are existed, whereas in column matrix only one column is existed. In diagonal matrix only the elements are exist in diagonal portion, other elements should be 0. In identity matrix the diagonal matrix is containing only one as a identity. Meanwhile in diagonal every and each element is written as only one and other elements will be 0. After this we have to study the addition and subtraction of matrices. We all know that addition and subtraction and multiplication all are shown us from lower level. From PG means at junior level we have studied before addition, subtraction and multiplications, but now in matrix we add each elements, subtract each elements and multiply in other terms. After this we have to study the business mathematical inductions in matrix, or the use of matrix in business mathematical inductions. After this we have to study the unit second. In unit second first we study the inverse of matrix, rank of matrix, solution to a system of equation by adjoint matrix method and by Gaussian elimination method. If we know that in intermediate level we for mathematical streams all students are ready to solve the adjoint matrix method. They all are know that it is also called as a inverse method. And after this today another method is attached which is called as Gaussian elimination method. It is simple equation solution method in which we solve the equations by our regular method. We know that elimination method to solving the equations, which is also known as, which is today known as a Gaussian elimination methods. Okay friends, now we have to come in third unit, in which our syllabus is first is percentage. Percentage we all know that how to calculate the percentage of any value. Ratio and proportion, which is also as a junior level we have studied at junior level. Averages, mathematical series. Mathematical series are AP, you know, arithmetic progressions, geometric progressions, harmonic progressions. We all are studied it at higher level, higher secondary level and secondary level both. After this we have to study simple interest, how to calculate and where to use of this in business terms, and compound interest, how to calculate, how to incur, how to know that we have to calculate the interest, compound interest in unit third. After this we have to move for unit fourth. In unit 4th we are studying for the set theory system. We all know set theory, how to write a group of persons, a group of numbers, how to form notations of sets. Two types of notations, you know that, the roster method and the simple method. After this we have to study set theory, singleton sets. Singleton sets, you know, in which only one element in a group. Finite set, infinite set, equal set, null set, subset, proper set, subset, universal set, union of set, intersection of set, use of set theory in business. We all know the use of set, or we can say that we have to study before that what is a set, because in today mathematics we study set from the junior high school level. ठीक है, after this we have read it in high school and intermediate 10+2 streams. Now today we have to study again its applications and about set theory in our unit 4th, and permutation and combinations also. Permutations and combinations. Permutations deals with the problems of selecting the objects, and the permutation deals with the problem of arranging the objects. Meanwhile, we can say how to select a object from given number of objects is called as a combination, and in permutation how to arrange all the objects in a series or in a manner, in how many manners we can arrange the given objects. Now we have to come with the unit 5th, where is we have to study the concept of differentiation and integration. We all, those students who are related with the mathematical streams in 12th level already studied with this differentiation and integration also. What is the differentiation? You know that a function which is dependent or independent variable is called the derivative. A function which it changes with an independent variable is called as its derivative. Okay, derivative of a function is terms of a limit involving the increasement of the independent and dependent variable also. By using this definition, we shall so now to find the derivative of various types of functions. We all know that in differentiation we have an function with an independent variable, and we derivate, we can say the function changes with respect to that independent variable is called as an differentiation. Now we have to come with the integration. What is the integration? You all know that integration is the reciprocal of differentiation. Okay, a reverse process of differentiation, which is of two types, definite integration and indefinite integration. In maxima and minima also we have to study the application of differentiations and application of differentiation and integration in business, how we use all the mathematical concepts also, how differentiation and integration is also used in business terms, how a simple interest, compound interest are also used in business. So we all study how these terms are related to the business and how to calculate these terms to the business. It's all about the mathematics we have to study in this semester 1. Thank you friends.